Homa Janilu, Sharam Tapadishinga from Nungshipi, Imar Piral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Vishnu Priya Manipuri. Today, I am going to share some sentences in English as well as in Vishnu Priya Manipuri. The first sentence is, I am not going to school today. I am not going. I means me. Am not going. Naji douga. Najauriga. I am not going. Me. Najauriga. To school. Skule. Today means aji. So it will be, I am not going to school today. Me. Aji. Skule. Naji douga. Or me. Aji. Skule. Najauriga. The next sentence is, it is raining. It is raining. Raining means boron poriya ase. It is raining. Ebaka boron poriya ase. The next sentence is, I don't have an umbrella. I don't have. Morta nei. An umbrella. Umbrella means sati. An umbrella. Sati ago. So it will be, I don't have an umbrella. Morta satiago nei. So I have to buy an umbrella. Uhane morta satiago lona lager. Let me conclude today. Thank you for watching this video. Dhanavad. Namaskar.